Welcome to Grammar Practice Free English Course Online 9. Today's grammar points. The modal verb can. How to use the modal verb can. Can is a very useful verb. Can in present simple. I can, you can, he, she, it can, we can, you can, they can. It is a modal verb, which means that it is used to denote the mood of a verb, giving it more nuance, more subtle meanings. Can be used to express general ability. I can speak English and Spanish. A request. Can you pass me the salt? An offer. Can I help you? Possibility or impossibility. I can come to your party. It can't be Fred's car. His car is red. Permission. You can use my pen. You are allowed to use my pen. Prohibition. You can't do that. You are not allowed to do that. Can has two negative forms, cannot, can't. Some examples with can. I can speak English and Spanish. I can't speak Portuguese and Chinese. I cannot speak Portuguese and Chinese. Can you speak several languages? You can drive my car. You can't drive my car. You cannot drive my car. Can I drive your car? I can come to your party. I can't come to your party. Can you come to my party? That's it for today.